Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got something exciting for you. This is a new post on swling.com, which is a great website for information about radios and shortwave listing and all that. Well, here, Troy posted a quick reference sheet of the hidden features of the PL-368. That's the Tecsun PL-368 right there. Scroll down, there it is. You can click on it to enlarge it. There it is. And let me go back. You can download it to an Excel spreadsheet. So I think I did about 10 times. Yeah, there it is right there. So you can save it, you can print it out, whatever you want to do. Pretty cool. That was nice of Troy to make this spreadsheet and share it. Again, it's on, you named it, swling.com. Bye-bye. Have a great day.